Hello. I should say good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. I'd like to let you know about my experience here at Smoler's dental clinic here. I have experienced some of the best service that I have received in a long time. As you know, we've had COVID for about 5 years now past. Things have changed in our society. This office is what I'm accustomed to, is excellent care for my patients. I'm in the medical field myself. This part of it, I don't know a thing about it, so I had to depend 100% on the people caring for me here, and they have done an excellent job. Coming here was a decision I had to make. I had to pray to God to guide me to the right place. I was recommended to come here by a friend who has become actually family to me. I trusted her word, but I wanted God to really be the one to put me here. And he did, because I always believe in checking around before you make a big decision. This is a big decision for anyone to make. It was something that I knew I wanted, and I did need it. I came to a point where it was an emergency. I was in the midst of seeing other doctors to get opinions. In fact, I even got 3 different opinions other than Dr. Smoler. I came here first, and I went to see 3 other physicians who were very nice. Everything was very good there. But an emergency happened. And I always watch God, how he moves in my life, of where he places me. When the emergency came, I said, oh, I have to be near home. I have to be near home. And he's only 5 minutes from me. Dr. Smoler's office is 5 minutes from me. And I knew this was what it was taking for me to make the ultimate decision of who was going to do my treatment for me. I've had 4 implants placed, and I'm very pleased. I have not had to use, I really didn't have to use any pain medication at all. However, the first day I did take a couple pills that were prescribed for me. But to say that I needed them, I can't really say that. My care was excellent. My healing is excellent. I have gone by every instruction they have given me. And that's probably attributes to how I'm healing. I am healing fine. The care that I'm getting here is superb. Everyone here, from the office staff to whoever touches you, that you are in great hands. You will not make a mistake coming to this office. I can guarantee you that. I'll be praying for you that you come and make the right decision and come to Smoler's office. He's excellent, and every one of his staff are, and that's remarkable. To go into a place, there's always, they say, a bad one in the bush, but that didn't happen here. That everyone has been excellent, and I mean above excellent, and that's what we should strive for in caring for patients, is to give excellent care, and that's what I've received. You won't make a mistake. Enjoy. Come. Leave all of your cares and worries and fears. Leave them in your car and come in, and just remember Joyce told you so. Thank you. Hello.